Welcome to episode 2 of creating your first project. So you've created a project, and apart from all the things that happen in the background, you can see that you have a functional website. So if you go to your dashboard, you can visit your front end by simply clicking on the link in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the link, you'll see that a new tab opens, and in the address bar at the top you can see the name of the project is 1p.mimic.digital. This was the subdomain name that we gave the project in the previous video. You can also see that it's not just one page, it's multiple pages, and the pages are also pre-populated. So you're not starting with a blank template. You'll have a basic project to work off of, and you can just populate it with your own content. So I'm currently logged in, so I can see the full menu, but if a guest navigates to the site, he won't be able to see the broadcast page, the lobby page, if he hasn't signed in. If you click on your name in the top right hand section, you can see on the right hand side that you can see your profile and your inbox from this page as well. Now let's go back to Web Portal and click on Pages. Now this is where your pages live. You can see all the pages created by default as well as your custom pages that you've created in this section over here. When you start your project and you foresee that you're going to be busy with the design process for some time, you can activate the under construction page. Now this page is essentially a holding page whilst you're busy creating the content or whilst you're busy populating your pages in the background. You can modify this page any way you like as well. Now once you're done creating your project in the background, you can go back to your web portal and simply disable the under construction page. This will make your portal live again. Now there are different types of pages, and I'll quickly go through all of them. Template pages get stored over here. Now, what do we mean by template pages? Template pages are essentially pages that you can customize, but they don't have drag and drop functionality. Following that, we have broadcast pages. Now, these pages are our interactive stages. These pages would have a specific pattern, so you'll see an interactive area. This is our default HTML page here, and then you have the interactive panel on the right-hand side. Then you have drag and drop pages. These pages are fully customizable, so you'd have drag and drop functionality on them, so you can add images, videos, and create your own unique specific designs. And then we have engagement pages. At this stage, we've got exhibition and chat rooms. These can also be customized. If you want to create a new page, you can just go and click on Add New Custom Page, and then you can choose from embedding an iframe page or creating a drag and drop page. Now let's create a drag and drop page, and we'll call that page Gallery. And then in the page path, we'll also call it Gallery. You can call it anything you want. Typically, it would be called the same thing. Over here, you can enable or disable headers and footers. If you do decide to remove the headers and footers, that means that there'd be no menus. You just have to include a way for the user to get back to the main menu, possibly embedding a button of sorts. So in this example, I'm just going to disable the footer. Now once you hit create, it'll create a drag and drop page. In the top left you can see it's named Gallery, and now you can start working on this drag and drop page. Over here you can see your page body, and you'll see that it's pretty narrow, so I'm just going to increase that to, let's say, 1,200 or so. And now you can basically just build your page out of these blocks. You put heading in, you can put text in, then image, and after that you maybe want to add a column or two. Let's put text in there and an image on the right hand side, and so on. You can change the background colors. And essentially play with your design until you get it the way you like it. Once you are done, you can save your changes and you can push it live. So what has happened now is your page has been created. However, it's not automatically going to appear here in your menu. So what you need to do is you need to go to your web portal and then click on Page Elements. Click on Header. And then you can adjust your settings. That's it for the web pages overview. Join us for our next video when we'll be building a navigation menu.